So this is the vlog, mini vlog you can say, for first time where I tried river rafting in Kalimpong at the river Teesta. With me, my team, Santida, Subhankarda, Vishal, Anarul and Abhishek was there. All of us are novice. We have no idea what's going on in the tide. We are just enjoying the, what to say, the adventure. It's superb. Nothing can beat this, I can say. Nothing can beat this. In this area we are struggling to boat the small boat, but okay, somehow we survived there. And this part is another awesome part where we just get down in the river and try to swim with the help of obviously life jacket was there. So what was too much cold मतलब सब कुछ जम गया था एक वर्ड में बोलने के लिए. But after few minutes or you can say after few times it's adjustable. सब adjust हो गया था and we are enjoying a lot. This is the part where we are getting freezed and now we want to get up on the boat. So we are asking the drivers or you can say the sailors, please help us, we want to get up on the boat. This is the final touch where I get tired of rowing the boat and Santida came up in a position and we are at the end of the journey. So this is how we finished our small vlog with a lot of adventure. For first time river rafting in Teesta river near Kalimpong. Thank you. Be with us.